In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace a fog lamp bulb on a Honda CR-V, which is located behind the front bumper. After you lifted and supported your vehicle safely, you have 5 19mm lug nuts you need to remove. Take your tire off, put it off to the side. After you remove the wheel, you're going to see a fender liner right here. Your fog lamp bulb is in here. You're going to have to take off these 3 clips and those 2 screws. These are Phillips. We'll start with this clip right here. Same thing with this one. This one comes out sometimes in 2 pieces. Sometimes it will be 1. That's that clip. Take this Phillips out. Then take the clip that's behind it out. Sometimes you have to hold these while unscrewing this. This one is not. I'm going to take this out in one piece like that. If you break these, make sure you replace them. You have 1 clip at the top. Just pull straight down. Remove that. Peel back your fender liner. Once you get your fender liner out of the way, your fog lamp is right here. This is your bulb. Your connector has a little push button right here. You push down and slide down. Take your bulb, turn it to the left, pull straight out, and there's your bulb. You want to take your fog lamp bulb, insert it into the fog lamp like that. Turn it to the right until it's straight up and down. Take your plug your connector into the bulb. Wait for that click. Take your fender liner, swing it back around, make sure it gets all tucked in up top. And on the sides. This is going to tuck it behind your other panel here. Put your fastener back in. Fastener up top. Fastener up top here. Don't forget, these are the 2-piece. Your other fastener here. Push in. Make sure you're all locked in tight so the wheel doesn't hit it. Take your tire. Slide it over your lug nut studs. Put your 5 lug nuts on. Snug those up. After you lowered your vehicle and your tire is on the ground, you want to torque these lug nuts at 80 foot-pounds in a star pattern.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.